Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete your account in the Voicemod voice changing application permanently. So let us guide you through this. Alright, so launch the Voicemod application. As you can see, I'm running it on my desktop computer. However guys, if you'd like to delete your account, you will need to access your account settings through the Voicemod web application. So head over to Voicemod, the homepage, log into your account here in the top right, click into my account, and from there simply navigate to this user interface here guys. So what you want to do is click into this button here, delete account, and after that Voicemod will ask you for confirmation if you're really sure to delete your account permanently. You will be able to do this only after you have clicked or selected this option here. And after that, simply confirm by clicking into delete account here. Now I'm not going to do this. I'm going to click into nevermind because I would like to keep my account. So that's how you delete your account on Voicemod. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.